How's it, guys? So, in spite of how much we've grown this year, I've decided that 2024 is going to be the first edition of the Tech Scene Top Tech. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. So, all the tech going to be listed in our Top Tech of 2024 awards is going to be devices that we have had our hands on and had the chance to review. It's not going to be things that we haven't reviewed, but there will be some honorable mentions of some cool tech that has hit the market. So, starting off with our favorite laptops. So, as part of our laptops, one of the first awards we're going to be giving is the most innovative laptop of 2024. Our pick for the most innovative laptop of 2024 has to be the Asus Zenbook Duo. The Asus Zenbook Duo was a change among devices, and I mean, considering the previous or the predecessor came with a small, I think it was a 5-inch screen at the top of your keyboard, comparing to having two 13-inch screens, compared to having two 15.6-inch screens. So yeah, that was one of the most innovative and one of the coolest laptops that we have seen in 2024. In terms of the most portable has to go to the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED, right, that we reviewed earlier in 2024. Moving away from laptops, the next category of awards is smartphones. We all know and love our smartphones, and the first award that we're going to be issuing is the best flagship smartphone of 2024. The best flagship smartphone of 2024, there were a few contenders that we've come through. I think the winner has to be the Samsung S24 Ultra. The S24 Ultra is a device that changed the way that you approach a Samsung smartphone, and I think that it hands down wins the best flagship of 2024. The second award in the smartphone category has to be the best budget smartphone. The best budget smartphone, we've had a few contenders in this as well, but from my thoughts, I think the best budget smartphone that we've come through has to be the Samsung A35 5G. The third category that we're going to be awarding has to do with cameras, because we all love a good selfie. So the third category is the best camera phone of 2024. The best camera phone, hands down, has to go to the iPhone 16 Pro. Right? The iPhone 16 Pro is an awesome little device, and in terms of its camera quality, it is up there. From smartphones, the third category of awards that we're going to be issuing is in terms of gaming tech. So in terms of gaming tech, the category that we have is the best portable or handheld device. The best handheld device has to go out to the Asus ROG Ally X. The Ally X is an amazing device that took from its predecessor, the Ally, and leveled it up in terms of growing its battery life, in terms of growing its performance and cooling, and it took it to the next step. So the fourth category is emerging tech. And emerging tech, this is actually going to be tech that we haven't interacted with. It's new tech that's come into the market, and the best emerging tech in terms of drones, what we're going to issue the award to is the DJI Neo. So the DJI Neo is in a category of its own in terms of its approach. It's not a big drone, it's not a mid-level consumer drone, it's not a less than 500 grams drone. The DJI Neo is in a category of its own, and in terms of what it can do and what it can handle, I think it's a very, very cool device. So the emerging tech goes to drones for the DJI Neo. In terms of emerging tech, I also want to make an honorable mention to in terms of smart homes. So in terms of smart homes, what's going to receive the award, again, not a device that we've reviewed, but one that I think is very, very cool, is the Xiaomi Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner E5. So you guys would remember I reviewed the E10, which was supposed to be the budget version. There's an E5, which is an even more budget version that retails for about 1,800 Rand. And I think that device is cool, and I'd like to get my hands on it to review in the new year. Coming back, the fifth category of awards that we're going to be giving to is going to be networking and connectivity. So in terms of networking and connectivity, the category that we have, or the award that we have, is the coolest router. So the coolest router of 2024 has to be given to the Asus RTBE88U. That is an awesome device with 10 ports worth of connectivity and 34 gigs worth of switching. Comes with a hectic price tag, but that is one of the coolest routers that we've interacted with, and I love I really appreciate the opportunity of actually getting to play with that device. Now, moving to photography and videography, the last category. The last category, one of the first awards in this category has to be the coolest camera seen on techsceneza. The coolest camera seen on techsceneza has to be the Fujifilm Instax Wide 400. The Instax Wide 400, I had an awesome experience with the device, and it allowed me to travel as well as create awesome little takeaways, like pictures like this. This is a photo of me at or on Diwali. Yeah, the Fujifilm, it's an awesome camera that allows you to print, have physical prints in wide format prints, and I think that's a very, very cool device. Even the pictures I managed to take of my travels, those are memories that I will hold on to forever. The last award that we're going to be giving in the category of photography and videography has to be the best portable camera. And the best portable camera for 2024 has to go to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is an awesome device that is a gimbal and a camera with 4K capabilities, and this has actually leveled up our content creation, because what it's allowed me to do is it has allowed me to shoot content anywhere, everywhere, however I see fit. And this has actually also helped level up our B-roll. So those have been the top tech of 2024 on techsceneza. In the comments below, let me know if you agree with my choices. Let me know if you think something else should have taken a place on or for any of these awards, or maybe if we might have had or should have had any other categories of awards. But guys, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by giving me a like rating if you did. If you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss on any of our future videos. Guys, thanks for watching. My name is Preshaan, and I will catch you in the next video.